Our new chapter, that is Introduction to Algebra. Do you know what is the meaning of algebra? So there it is. What is algebra? It is there. What is algebra? So let's read it. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with number expressed as generalized symbols of letters ए बी सी एक्स वाई जेड. इसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एल्जेब्रा बोलते हैं. ओके गाइस, सो हेयर कैन यू सी इन फिगर 1 and 2 the three boxes and represent by 1, 2 and 3 dots respectively it has written. Okay, but the last box represent may is a great generalized statement. No fixed number is what? Is given. Okay, so here you will see in down that let us consider an example. For example, this I am writing in copy. You see, can you see my copy here? So see what I am writing. Okay, like we have wait, next pen I am taking. Like we have 5x0. 5x0 means it will be 0 only. Yes, if we will write 5 zeros as 0, it will be okay. That answer is B. And then 120x0, it will be 0 only. And when we will write 516x0, it will be 0 only. Okay, so this you have to do. So this we are doing algebra. It is very easy for you. This is for class 6. It's very easy. This is first time that you study algebra. That मुझे डर लगता है, मुझे नहीं बनाना है, ये आपका बस डर है. पर अगर आप कोशिश करोगे गाइस, मीन स्टूडेंट्स, तो आप कर लोगे. ओके, सो यूज ऑफ algebra in our daily life. We use algebra in our daily life. We are using algebra in our everyday life. For example, in preparing bill of the customer. Okay, in case of purchase of multiplying number of the same object, algebra is also used in school by teachers to prepare the annual report card of the students. So like I am making the like you think this is report card. Okay, you think that is report card. So you think this is what? Report card. This is report card. Okay, you think that is it is report card. So I have written here English. I will give 20 marks. Maths I will give 54 marks. Only this much. And Sanskrit and all I will give 2 marks. Okay. So now it is that about a report card it is telling. Like this we are giving our that math this much, math इंग्लिश इतना, साइंस संस्कृत इतना, मैथ इतना बोलता है ना. आप किसमें सबसे अच्छे हो उसमें ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिलते हैं, आप लोग जानते ही होंगे. नाउ टेक ऑल नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर, दैट इज पेज नंबर 96. Here is a sum for you to do the sum. Okay, so see the sum. A student of your class goes to shop. 1 minute. What it is telling? A student of a class goes to shop. He goes to a shop and cost of rupees what? Rupees 20 rupees pen. He purchased 10 pens. Okay, 10 pens वो purchase किया. He purchased 10 pens. How much money did he pay for 10 pens? Like this. 10x 20. Okay. This answer is 200. He will pay 200 rupees. Okay. This is our first sum. What? Answer. Okay. Now second sum answer. What is there? Another student go to shop and purchase 15 pen वो buy किया. Okay. by 15 and same time how much money did he give? अगर हम लोग 50x20 करेंगे तो कितना होगा? चलिए बताइए, मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए. If you don't know how to multiply, we will do multiply. Okay, how? So यहाँ हम लोग दिखाते हैं 20x15. 5 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. 20 came, but this is not right. Okay, 20 आता है, पर जब हम लोग करते हैं तो ये सही आंसर नहीं है हमारा. ओके, दिस विल बी रॉन्ग आंसर. ओके, सो आवर राइट आंसर इज yes, see, 300 rupees. Okay, like this we have to solve the sums. It is hard, but a little bit it is easy for class 6. Okay, then number 2. Now if we donate the total cost of pen, अब डोनेट करने का बात आ रहा है बाय टी. यहाँ लिख लेंगे टी, द नंबर ऑफ पेन्स परचेज बाय एन एंड सी, कॉस्ट ऑफ सी. देन इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? टी इक्वल टू सी एक्स एन. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ थर्ड. ओके, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू मेक. Okay, like this you have to make, and what we will here, the value, can you see, the value of t can be calculated whenever the value of n and c are given. Therefore t and c and n are the all the number that are can take different values. Okay, now here what do you say? Operation on literals and number. Okay, see in my copy what I have written of addition of literals and number. See, subtracted of literals and number, 8 subtracted from p is written as p minus 8. जो हम लोग p minus 8 लिखते हैं उसको हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 8 minus p भी लिख सकते हैं और p minus 8 भी लिख सकते हैं. आसान है, पर हमारा जो सब्ट्रैक्शन में आता है उसको p से 8 माइनस करेंगे तभी हमारा राइट आंसर आएगा. ओके, सो 8 सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम p इज रिटन एज 8 माइनस p. 8 माइनस p ही हम लोग लिखेंगे. ओके, देन x सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम y इज रिटन एज y माइनस x. x माइनस y नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि हमारा ये जो x है x y z होता है, x बड़ा है. x को y से नहीं कर सकते हम लोग, y को x से करेंगे. छोटे के छोटे को बड़े नंबर से माइनस कर रहे हैं, इसलिए थोड़ा हार्ड है. फिर यहाँ पर y subtracted from x is written as x minus y. Okay, this you have to understand and this also you have to understand. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 times 2 means 4 2s are, and a plus a plus a plus a plus a 4 times a, 4xa equal to 4a. Also continually 3xa is written as 3a and not as a3. x multiplied by y is written as xxy or simply xy. हम लोग सिंपली से लिख देते हैं एक्स वाई. ठीक है, हम लोग सिंपली से क्या लिख देते हैं? एक्स वाई लिख देते हैं. देन सी, डिवीजन ऑफ लिटरल्स एंड नंबर. डिवीजन में कैसे करते हैं यहाँ देखिए, जैसे कि हमारा है एक्स, कैन यू सी, एक डिवाइडेड बाय 7. इसको हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे? इट इज रिटर्न है. ओके, इट इज रिटर्न एज x डिवाइड बाय 7. ओके, एंड इट कैन बी. Now here we will do exercise 7.1. So take out your copy. Let's do this fast. Then this. It is very easy for you. It is very easy. So let's do. Okay, take out your copy. All of you take out your copy, and I have written all the question answers. So I will tell you what is our question. That x increase by 8. That is, our question is x increased by 8. How we will write x increased? Increase मतलब वो बढ़ रहा है, उसको हम लोग को क्या करना है, माइनस करना है, उसको बढ़ाना नहीं, उसको डिक्रीज करना है. So what we will write this? x minus 8 like this. Okay. 7 added to 4 times b. 7 plus 4b. 11 added to the product of a and b is bd plus 11. 11 bd. हम लोग इसको क्या बोलेंगे? 11 bd. The next number d. 4 times p added tq time. यहाँ बोल रहा है, अब डी क्वेश्चन इज डी वाला को मैं सी को डी क्वेश्चन में ऐड कर दी हूँ. 4 times p added to what? 9 times q. This answer is 4. That is 4p plus 9q is our answer. Like this we have to write. It's very easy for you. Okay, this is very easy. So your question means your homework is to do E, F, G, then H, I, J. Okay, and do this one. Write what? Write each of the following using literals and 4 fundamental operation. This you have to do A, B, C, D. These 4 you have to do. Okay, A, B, C, D you have to do. Then you have to write in your copy this solution, and in next class I will understand you this exercise 7.2. Okay, so goodbye students.